If you have a Pennsylvania business and you want to expand into other states, you are going to become subject to tax in those other states if that expansion of business involves a physical presence in that other state. And it really is just as simple as that. By physical presence, it would be an office, a plant, some other, some other location like that, and employees, property in that other state. So if the expansion involves physical presence in another state, there's a couple things you're going to have to do. You're going to have to qualify to do business in that state. That's a filing at the state level. But you're also going to become subject to tax in that state. Now, every state in the United States has an allocation and apportionment law that's designed to tax within that state only the income earned within that state, and basically divide among all the states that you do business in your total income. Theoretically, you should end up being subject to only tax on 100% of your income. But we have a federal system. Every state's apportionment and allocation law is not identical. And even if it were, every state's interpretation of its law is not identical. And there have actually been cases that went to the United States Supreme Court where the application of different allocation schemes ended up with the company being subject to tax on up to 135% of its income, just because the allocation and apportionment rules didn't quite fit. So if you're going to expand into another state, you're going to become subject to tax in that state. You're going to need probably accounting help in that state as well. Your life has just become a lot more complicated, and that's one of the prices of doing business.